Schlatter has been a success story since 1916, a company with vision. Hans A. Schlatter brought resistance welding to Europe. A pioneering spirit gave rise to groundbreaking solutions, from the first shoe nails to modern welding machines. What began with an idea is now global technological expertise. Because technology drives our growth, Schlatter sets the benchmarks for automation and productivity. Intelligent solutions from entry-level models to complete high-performance factories, for maximum efficiency and durability in rail welding machines, wire welding machines, wire processing lines and weaving machines. Schlatter combines mechanical engineering, electronics, software and welding technology to create innovative system solutions that unite engineering expertise and technical excellence. Our customer service means support beyond commissioning, with analog and digital service packages that protect investments and secure value in the long term. Maximum added value for sustainable success, because long-term partnerships with our customers are our cornerstone. Proximity and expertise combined worldwide for questions, updates and solutions. Fast, competent, globally networked and yet always personal. We are shaping the future of mechanical engineering and keeping our finger to the pulse of the times, so that our customers can write their own success story.